Hello, so it's Kelly from MG Caravans. So this is the handover video of the Basecamp 4. This is just the external. So you've got the barbecue point on the near side, and then to the rear you've got the 230 volt main socket. Entry door to the back of the Caravan. The toilet cassette with the toilet flush fluid that just goes into there. The spy hole glass to see the level of the flush fluid. So at the moment it's about just under a quarter full. The heating flue, the mains inlet, the cold water outside shower inlet, and the water intake filler. And then to the front of the Caravan, you've got the gas locker. So you've got the spare wheel, gas regulator, space for 2 gas bottles, and then you've also got the external shower hose there, mains lead, and then this Caravan has also come with the starter pack as well. Right, so here we are in the new Basecamp 4 with the new blue baskets. It's there. So to get power into the Caravan, plug in the mains, or if you've got a leisure battery fitted, make sure that the black button on your consumer unit is switched on. To get mains power, turn on the green button, and then that will also be putting charge into your leisure battery. Then the bottom is to work the heating and hot water on the mains. So then we go round. So this is the new Swift control panel. To turn it on, you've got the on touch button. Press that there, and then you've got the options for lighting, your power, water pump, enviro, which is your internal and external temperatures, and then your heating controls. So first of all, we'll go to the lighting. You've got your entry lighting, your dimmer lighting. You've got 2 options, and you can adjust them to whatever setting you'd like. And then you can also control the awning light. And if you go back, go on to your charging. So it's telling me that I am plugged into the mains, and the leisure battery is currently holding between 14.3 and 14.2 volts with a charge rate of 0.8 amps. When it's connected onto the car, it will also show the voltage just there, so you can keep an eye on how well it's charging from your car as you're going along the road. Go back to the home menu. Got the internal and external temperatures. The water pump, so that will just illuminate orange to show you that it's on. Control your heating. So you have the temperature. So in here it's currently 12 degrees. You can pop the on manual or timer on the mode. So just press manual, and then you can adjust the temperature up to your desired. So if we put it on 21, it will gradually work its way up. Energy source, you can select the gas or electrics. So the first one, is gas, 1 kilowatt of electricity, 2 kilowatts of electricity, or a mixture of gas and electric on 1 kilowatt. That first one was, and then the second one is gas and 2 kilowatts of electricity. And you can do that for either, so that is the heating, and then that is the hot water. So you can, it's quite good really. On the old one you can do it, but on this you can select whatever you'd like on either source, and you can set the timers, and then the water heater on or off. So if you just wanted to run the heating, you can just run the either. Then you've got your timer settings, so you could have 4 different zones of timers throughout the day. And then on here you can always turn off on your advanced settings the beeping on the control panel. So that is the control panel. So some of the features that you've got on the Basecamp, you have got the double USB socket right next to the control panel. You've got the tracker control pad. You've got the new blue storage bags. We've got the double main socket to the Welsh dresser with the TV aerial points, 12-volt point, and another main socket. Underneath you have got a double USB, little cubby hole, and the light switch. To all of the windows you have got fly screens and blinds, which you just clip up and it clips into position. You've got individual spotlight, the switch just at the side, and then to the front you've also got the fly screen from the top and then the blind from the bottom. And the table at the front also folds down, so you've got the mechanism each side of the table that you just flip across, and then the table flips down. Got little magazine pockets to the front. You've also got a secondary panel for the whale hot water and heating. So to use this, you press the hot water, and then you can select the different option that you would like to put it on. And then the same with the heating. You can select the power supply that you would like to use, and then the temperature control is just the up and down arrows to the side. So this one's quite basic to use. Then you have also got the flip down table for the kitchen. So you pull these down and then the table will release. And then in the kitchen area you have got the dinette table just underneath the sink there. Another blind to the kitchen. Your handbooks for the Caravan, as well as your mug holders and plate holders. That is your solar panel charger. So the green light means that it's charging. When it's outside, it will show an amber flashing light to say that it is inputting charge into your leisure battery. So this is the Basecamp fridge. So with the fridge you have got the on button, which is just there. So hold to turn on, it will go onto mains. So the mains is the little 2-pin light just there. To change the mode, you just go to the mode button. You can select auto, so if you're plugged into mains, then it will automatically go to mains. If you wanted to select gas, you just press over to the gas symbol. If you're towing and you want it to keep cool as you go into your destination, you just put it onto the battery symbol just there. So at the moment it's just showing as an error because I haven't got it plugged into a tow vehicle or a test box. And you can adjust the temperature with the little thermometer sign just there. And then to open up the fridge, you've got the brake catches, which just slide backwards and forwards. And then you just pull the handle. And you've got the fridge light. And then the freezer section. Just there. So for travel, it's best that you do lock the fridge. Just so then it doesn't fly open. But you can also swap it over, so then you can run the door off of the other side as well if it suits you better. So if that is something you wanted to do in future, then please let us know. You've got your 3-burner hob, which to ignite, you push the valve down and turn, and you'll see it light. Should only take a few seconds to light. And then that's the same for all 3. Then with the oven, make sure that your grill pan has not got any flammables in there. Then to light the oven, you've got the igniter just there. Do the same again as with the hob. So push down and use the igniter and release, and then just set your desired temperature. So that is for the oven. And then for the grill, you just turn the knob the other way and do exactly the same and turn the igniter on. Then you've just got 2 drawers underneath the oven for storage. Then back in the wardrobe, you've got the aerial, which is adjustable. So to adjust the aerial, you turn to release, push the pole up, and then you can toggle to move the position of the aerial. So you've just got to make sure that for travel, you have it all the way down, and it has got an indicator on there as well to say where to adjust the aerial to, just to make it a bit more easier for you to use. So pull it down, make sure that you do it up just like there. Then you've got your freestanding table and ladder and infill cushion. Then you have got a flap that pulls up so you can gain access to the boiler. So there is your boiler. Some fusible spurs for the space heater and water heater. Your gas taps and your drain valve. So when you are not using your Caravan, it is definitely recommended to drain down the whole of the water system. So the drain tap is in the upright position. You will hear the water releasing out as well, but it's just best practice just in case of any unexpected frost. Then we'll go into the washroom. So you've got the sink, the shower, and the toilet. So it will have a full indicator on there to let you know when it is full of waste and you do need to empty. you've got an individual light switch on either light. Then some of our customers do get caught out with the shower because it has got a stop valve on the shower head. So if you do turn the shower tap on, which is just the lever just there, and no water comes through, it's most likely the valve that you need to press to release the water through. To use the roof light in the bathroom, you turn the mechanism and you push up. And then just for travel, just make sure it's all shut. You've got the two roof lights, so one in the washroom, one in the kitchen diner area. So that is everything in the Basecamp.